Hello everyone, welcome back to the Software Testing by Guruji YouTube channel. So today onward we are going to start the new series, that is Java installation, then Eclipse installation, and then we are moving for the API automation as well as the Selenium automation. So without wasting his time, let's start the today's session. First we will install the Java step by step. To install the Java, I wrote the few steps here. First, you need to open the Chrome browser, then need to search the Java Oracle, and then official sites you will able to see one by one all step you need to follow. I open the Chrome browser. Here I am searching Oracle Java. Then I am able to see the official website of Oracle Java. Just click on the first link only. Then you will able to see the download link here. Download Java, just click on it. Once you click on the Java, then just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will able to see the versions here: JDK 25, JDK 21. Latest version is JDK 25 for now, so just select that one. And then below you will able to see the operating systems. So I want to install the Java JDK for the Windows operating system. So that's why we need to select here Windows. And here we are able to see the different files. So we want x64 installer file to install the Java in Windows 11. So just click on .exe file, then it will start the downloading. Till this point, steps are very easy to download the Java JDK file. Once the downloading is done, then we need to follow the different steps. So let me see downloading is done or not. Yes, downloading is done. Once it is done, just double click on this file, JDK files, which .exe file you have downloaded. Once you double click on it, then it will open the pop-up. So in the pop-up, you need to select the yes. Just wait. Yes. So here you need to select the yes. Once you select the yes, then you will able to see the Java installation setup screen. So wait for a few seconds, then it will show you the setup screen. Yeah, I am able to see the setup screen now, and here it is showing the Java latest version, that is 25.0.2. Just click on the next. Then here it is showing the file where it is going to install, that is under the program files. Then I am clicking on the next. It is started the installation in my local system. It will take few minutes to complete the installation. Once the installation is done, then you need to click on the close button. Yes, my installation is successful. Now I want to check the Java installation is successful in my system or not. To check that, I need to open the command prompt. Just type cmd in the search box, and in the cmd just type here java-version. Yeah, now you can see here Java-version. When I enter here, then it is showing me the result as Java version 25.0.2, and date also it is showing. So we install the Java latest version successfully in our local system. Now let's move for the another thing, that is we need to give the path of Java home as well as the bin in our local system. So for that you need to search the edit the system. You can see the option here, edit the system environment variable. Just click on it. Once you click on it, then it will directly navigate inside the advanced. So inside the advanced, here is the environment variables. Just click on the environments variable. Now you will able to see the user variables for user and system variables. We need to add the Java-version and the path inside the system variable. So add this, we need to click on the new. Here environment variable is Java home, and here you need to provide the path variable value. So how we can get that? We need to go inside our files, then Windows C, then program files, then Java, and here you will able to see JDK 25.0.2. Then just copy the whole path and provide that path for the Java home. So this we have to provide, and just click on the OK button. Then next we need to provide the path. So again we need to do the same thing, new path, just a path, and here we need to provide the bin path. So for that we need to go inside the bin and copy the whole path from the our local. So this path we have to provide as it is, and just click on the OK. So now you will able to see Java home here, and path also you will able to see here. Okay, once it is done, just click on the OK, then OK. So successfully you have configured the Java home as well as the path. So now let's check that. Go inside the command prompt, type here echo percentile Java home percentile and just click enter it. Okay, to check this we need to restart the system so that it will show the Java proper path exactly where we have installed the Java. So why this configuration is needed? To run the Java from command prompt required. This is required for the tools like Maven, Gradle, Selenium, Jenkins, IntelliJ or Eclipse, and also avoids Java version conflict. So for that purpose we need to install the Java homes. So let me cross check Java hyphen version. Yes, so successfully I installed the Java hyphen version, and also when we enter the command as the echo percentile Java underscore home percentile, then it will also show you the path of that Java installation so that we can verify. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one video.